A common misconception in heart health is that if you have a bad habit, you need to use discipline to not have this bad habit. Let me explain why this doesn't work. And I know that this is a common idea and a common suggestion in medicine and in the medical setting because I used to give it myself. When a patient came and was a smoker, I would constantly remind them, hey, smoking is bad for you, you should stop. And at some point, I realized that not one patient in the hundreds, possibly thousands of patients that I had advised to stop smoking or stop a bad habit had done it. Or if they had done it, it didn't last in time. And so I got interested in why is that? And now I take a different approach. I see a bad habit as a good thing. Let me explain. A bad habit is a good thing because a bad habit is there to soothe unease about something. It's there to soothe some tension in the body. And now when you become aware of this, you can realize that there's tension and uneasiness in your body and start soothing that consciously instead of having to reach for the bad habit, whatever it is, food, cigarette, distraction, alcohol. When you understand and you're able to recognize that tension, that uneasiness in your body, you can tend to it. And as you tend to it, as you soothe yourself in a way that's more conscious, the bad habit gets much easier to drop. And I see this time and time again with my clients. We are able to very easily, in a matter of a few months, I would say maybe 4 to 6 weeks is where we see a really big impact. When you soothe the uneasiness and you understand in your body how this feels, it becomes much easier to drop a bad habit. And often these bad habits even drop off by themselves. There's a maybe 10% discipline that you do need to discipline yourself to change your habit, but 90% is done from the alignment of understanding this uneasiness in your body and soothing it. So instead of disciplining yourself or being harsh with yourself or being ashamed that you have a bad habit, you soothe yourself. A little bit counterintuitive, but this stuff really works and it's a much better alternative. It is much more sustainable, and also you are releasing the tension, which in itself is not good for your heart health. So I hope that helps, and I'm wishing you a beautiful rest of the day. Bye.